And let's begin with a stock market analysis of trading on Monday. Activities on the floor of the Nigerian exchange closed with a gain of 53 billion naira in market capitalization as bulls regained their grip on the local bus. Now, the all-share index increased by 0.20% to close at 49,316.29 points. Meanwhile, market breadth closed positive as Thomas led 14 gainers with 10 losers, topped by PZ at the end of Monday's session. So as the close of Friday, of course, the market, stock market value stood at 26.9 trillion year to date. The stock market, since the beginning of the year, has advanced by 6,698.5 basis points, or about 50.6%. Now, for further analysis, let's bring in our guest analyst now. Ademola Adevale is head research at Atlas Portfolio Securities. He joins us virtually. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you for joining us again.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, good morning. So quickly, if you look at the report yesterday, well, the bull, of course, has been dominating the market, and yesterday, the stock market, of course, opened the week positive with about 53 billion naira gain. So talk to us, what was responsible for the rally or the gain recorded in the stock market yesterday?
Okay, thank you. So, stock market yesterday was positive again, and has been like that for over 4 days now. So, yesterday's positive sentiment was buoyed by interest in consumer goods and banking sectors. Those were the major drivers of the market yesterday. We have gains in the consumer goods sector and the banking sector. They were the major pushers of the market positive sentiment yesterday. And we have high interest on medium and large scale stocks, such as in banking stocks like Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank was up yesterday. So also was
Mr. Demola, we could barely hear you. If you could,
can you hear me?
yes,
Hello?
yes, if you could, speak up a little bit so we can get you clear.
Okay, I said we have buying interest in the consumer and banking sector yesterday was responsible for the market positive sentiment, because we have increase in banking stocks such as GT Bank. The GT Bank was up yesterday, and also some other consumer goods were up, such as international. These were the major drivers of market sentiment yesterday, and it has been like that for over 4 days now. We're also looking into more positive growth in the equity market this week.
Okay. Let's look at some of the top 5 gainers at the close of Thomas Wyatt Nigeria PLC led the gainers at the close of Monday with about 8.77% gain there. And then coming in the second place is International Bureau. You have Pharmadeco there. You have Living Trust, and then Caverton also making the top 5 gainers for the day. Talk to us for each of these positive record at the close of Monday. Talk to us the sentiment behind this gain that was recorded in each of these stocks.
Okay. If you majorly know what we are having in the equity market is quite good, because when you look at all these, especially when you look at Thomas Wyatt, you can see international view is consumer goods, because now we are drawing closer to the festive season, so you have more people buying goods such as the drinks, to celebrate the festive season. So it will not be surprising to see international views growing up, and also at Pharmadeco, so which is health sector. So some of these stocks is they are actually selective based on the season we have. But I'm going to really mention the international view. These people, their revenue is going to grow in this fourth quarter because they are going to have huge purchases from different groups due to the season where we are now. And it's not surprising to me to see their stocks growing. People are traveling and celebrating the festive season now. So, of course, there will be need for some of these products. And also, when you look at Boa Food, Boa Food is part of the top gainers. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead, please.
Okay, Boa Food is also one of the top gainers. This is also part of the consumer goods sector. You see, it's so interesting because this is what we have all season. When we come close to December or when we get close to January, you see most consumer goods sectors, stocks in the consumer goods sector keep growing because people are aware that their revenue is going to go up. And when you look at some of these stocks that are good dividend payers, the investors are guaranteed of good payouts after the year. So that is why we see increase in price in some of these stocks right now.
Mm. Now, on the flip side now, shares of PZ let other decliners, losing about 90 kobo at the close of yesterday. From 12 naira 40 kobo it opened earlier in the day, closing at 11 naira 50 kobo. Talk to us about the stock of PZ. Why are we seeing this negative performance?
Yeah, it's just based on their share price now. Their share price right now is quite high. So people that bought the share at very low price are just looking to sell off this season and gain and take their profits. So that is just it for PZ. People, the investors that bought in the shares at very low price, so selling around 6 naira, 7 naira, and at 12 naira, that is almost let me say above close to 100% profit. So it is enough for them to pull out. So people that are now, if you look at PZ has actually been gaining for some weeks now because they also declared their dividend for 2023, right? So people are investors that are not waiting for dividend because they bought at a very low price and they've already made their profit. They were the ones that pulled out a little bit yesterday. That is the reason behind the decline in PZ stocks, PZ shares yesterday.
Mm. And so would you speak of the same for, the shares of Charms, losing about 4.35% to closing at 22 kobo at the close of trading sections on Monday. So talk to us about shares of Charms as well. Hello, Ademola, can you talk? Please. Yes, I was asking you that can you say the same thing of shares of Charms as well, losing about 4.35% the close of Monday. I mean, the stock is trading at 22 kobo at the moment.
Yeah, Charms is one of the ICT sectors shares that we have. And it has been booming for a while now. So when we talk about ICT, we have most of our countries now that are going into ICT. So looking at the shares dropping yesterday, it's just due to you can see that some of the investors are looking at these low price stocks and are looking at their prospects. So some investors are looking at.
Hello, Demola, can you hear me? Well, I think Demola was trying to explain her investors' position, towards the shares of Charms as well. I was going to also ask, of course, moving from the shares of Charms to UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust as well. Okay, so talk to us, moving away from shares of Charms now and looking at UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust as well. But there's much activities in the real estate sector in the last 2 years, but it looks like some of the companies who are listed on the Nigerian exchange really are not performing to expectation. Why is that?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. I was talking about Champ, right?
Yes, I know we've moved past because of our time. We'll move past Champs now. Talking about UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, using yesterday, the stock lost about 10 kobo. That's about 3.33%, closing at 2 naira 90 kobo at the close of yesterday. So, talk to us about this. There has been much activities in the real estate sector of the economy. How do you think these companies are performing in that sector?
Well, the real estate sector, we have limited real estate sector that is listed on the indicators right now. But when you look at UPGC real estate, it has been doing well. It has been really, the share price has been up lately. And we have from just like Champs and Tuesday, so that investors pulling out when they've gained enough profit and they feel that, okay, for a while, let's look into other asset class to invest. So the real estate sector generally has been doing. When you look at other real estate factors, you look at it and see that even.
Hello, Debola. Well, I guess I thought we will, of course, we'll be able to continue that conversation. But
Hello?
I wanted us to wrap up. Okay. Yes, continue. Please quickly wrap up on that thought. Hello, Demola. Well, I wanted to ask you if you can hear me really, but I wanted us to wrap up now, looking at outlook for today. And ahead of the Yuletide, which of course, which we expect some Santa Claus rally ahead of the Yuletide. Talk to us for today first. How is the market doing now? What's the movement like now? How well are investors, taking position as regards, today's activities ahead of the Yuletide?
I think I did finish talking about the real estate sector also.
Okay. Quickly wrap up on that real estate and let's look at today's activities.
Okay. I said the real estate sector has been booming for quite a while now. But trading in the NGS is quite different because we are trading either for a short term or for a long term. So when you buy into the real estate store, you are looking to gain your profit within limited time. So investors that push out yesterday from UPDC real estate, they were pulling out just because they felt the price was too high and they've made enough profit. So that was what happened. Same thing with Champs and Tuesday. So for quite some time now, the market has been high, and I think what is actually happening, because if you look at the crypto curve, when you look at the crypto and you see that investors' confidence, and investors that are confident in the cryptocurrency has reduced due to what happened to the FTX and also Quidas. So you can see investor sentiment is gradually shifting to the equity market. And that is what we can see so far last week and what is happening presently right now. Because people are looking for where to put in their money. They don't just want their money to blind follow. And also we have some of these old currencies that people are looking to put away. So you can see some of them trooping into the equity market to save their money. That's the reason for the growth in the equity market so far. And today we are also likely to see a positive sentiment in the equity market. Because investors' confidence towards the Nigerian equity market, you can see it has grown quite for a while now. And of course, for 2022, the year-to-date return of our trading index is going to be positive, despite the challenges and the headwinds at this year.
Okay. Well, I need us to wrap up now, Demola, and look at the market today. Of course, what are the expectations? What is the outlook for Tuesday's trading activities?
Okay, I said today we expect positive sentiment to continue as well in the equity market because we have investment interest tilted towards the equity market right now. And I was asking an example of the cryptocurrency, what happened to the crypto.
Okay.
So people are looking for other places to put in their money. So that is the reason why the stock market has been growing for quite some time now. And it's likely this sentiment will continue. Not like what is expected this evening. This evening is expected that the market should moderate a bit, but we keep on seeing an increase in the equity market. So this is also responsible alongside investors' interest in the low price stock so far. So these are the stocks that are growing right now, and we likely see positive sentiment gain this week.
Right. Okay. I think we have to leave it there. Thank you so much for your time. Demola Adabale is head research at Atlas Portfolio Securities. Thank you for your time on Business Breakfast.
Thank you for having me.
Have a great day. Still to come after the break, we'll turn attention to other important matters now. Of course, the Yuletide, celebration. Nigerians are beginning to, lament the price hike in commodities and livestock. And of course, we'll also look at other issues as well. We'll take a break now. We'll be back with more. Please stay with us.